Renin Triel serves as a librarian of the Death Watch within the Jericho Reach. Hailing from the Silver Skulls chapter, known to his kin as a prognosticator, this psyker specializing in receiving portents from the Emperor also knows a great deal about the Eldar Xenos. Once a member of his chapter's third company, which purged the Tau species from the eastern fringe of the galaxy. During his investigation upon the world designated PX3354D, the Drukhari beset his men's position. Losing 2/3 of his kin during the ambush before withdrawing, Triel sought to understand his nemesis in order to achieve vengeance, spending over 2 decades of his off-time duty within his chapter fortress studying the Eldari. Recruited by Inquisitor Verlaine Rameus into the Chamber Militant of the Ordo Xenos, the Death Watch, for over a century, Renin has toiled to gain knowledge whilst also fighting elements of the Tyranids and even Tau within the Acheros salient. Utilizing the Death Watch's vast archives to best find a means to discover the Dark Eldar's vulnerabilities, after 2 decades of his service to the Vigil, Watch Captain Matthias inducted Triel as a member of the Inquisition's Dead Cabal. Concerned with the Dark Pattern event, which spreads across the Jericho Reach, Renin has committed his life to sundering this mysterious peril, contributing vast wisdom to the task force's dealings for over 50 years in exchange for gleaned insight of the Drukhari. Believing the Dark Pattern to be connected to the Webway, perhaps as a precursor to its construction, though none of his contemporaries can discern his reasoning, they nonetheless trust in Renin's immense experience of the esoteric. Using his gifts to read ancient artifacts, records, and more arcane relics, his use of psychometry has allowed the prognosticator to understand much of the inner workings of the Eldar Spirit Stones, as well as the harrying wasting which plagues the Comorites. Revealing uncovered secrets pertaining to the Dark Pattern only to Watch Captain Matthias, these Astartes delve deeper into the mystery of the Dead Worlds, hoping to pacify their influence.